Buckle up, because we are hitting the gears on a 50-year race for global dominance. This isn't just about pedals and spokes. This is the high-stakes battlefield of bicycle manufacturing. From the quiet streets of the 70s to the high-tech electrified giants of today, the landscape of global mobility has been completely rewritten. At the starting line in 1970, the map looks vastly different than what you might expect. Western heavyweights are holding the line, while traditional cycling hubs command the early volume. Keep your eyes locked on the screen. You are about to witness the most aggressive industrial climb in modern history. As we move through the late 70s and into the 80s, watch the momentum shift. Emerging economies begin to awaken, sensing a massive opportunity in two-wheeled transportation. Production capacities start to swell. Notice the steady, relentless climb of the Asian powerhouses. While the West begins to throttle back, the East is just warming up the assembly lines. By the mid-90s, the gap starts to widen into a chasm. Look at that acceleration. We are seeing a complete overhaul of the global supply chain. Old legends are falling behind, unable to keep pace with the sheer, scale-driven manufacturing might of the new titans. The 80s were about experimentation, but the 2000s are about sheer, absolute volume. One country in particular begins to distance itself from the pack, turning the race into a solo flight. The sheer number of units churning out of these factories is staggering, millions upon millions, cycling through the global economy like a heartbeat. As we cross into the 2010s, the integration of technology and manufacturing efficiency becomes the ultimate weapon. Automation, precision, and raw output define the leaders. If you blinked, you missed the rise of the current dynasty, a country that transformed itself into the undisputed workshop of the world. It is a masterclass in industrial evolution. Now we hit the final stretch. Approaching 2026, the dominance is complete. The margins are astronomical. The gap between the champion and the runner-up is not just a lead, it is a different league entirely. From the humble roadsters of the past to the sleek, smart connected machines of the future, this chart tells the definitive story of global production. The crown remains firmly seated. The powerhouse has spoken. One nation owns the road, the path, and the factory floor. This is the history of the bicycle, written in steel, rubber, and pure, unstoppable global ambition.